At 5:33 a.m. we're going fishing. Ano oras na, mate? 5:45. So, we're going fishing here in Jumeirah. Throw Mr. Jake Benitez. Be careful on the rocks. So this is the breakwater freestyle. Very dangerous. Be careful. How was your first cast? Shake Jake. Exciting? Careful, mates. Careful, the marlins. There you go. Amazing. Amazing rescue.
I got the lure.
Amazing. Lure is back. Everybody, lure is back. We're back to business. Careful, careful, careful. Take third throw. There you go. I think I can feel it. I think I can feel some sea breams. How are you guys? You have brought your iPad, books, bicycle, scooter. Okay, are you bored? Expected. Well, are you bored? Yeah, I feel you. Jumeirah Beach, breakwater. And this is Shake Jake Benitez. Tango Blind. 6:45 time check. 9 you go. For the win! For the win! Ang lapit! Ang lapit mo!
I know you think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her. But Josie got a reputation to scratch behind that purr. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control. Then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. Think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand.
Oh my goodness.
No other love,
Why did you put the full name?
there's no shame.
Mate, sayang yan. Sayang yan. Oh my goodness.
Lord, I got my first fish. First fish, finally. Yay! I don't know what fish it is, but I'll take it anyway. Yeah, so there we go. Our first fish means sige, okay lang. Malayo ako.
Has the upper hand. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself
Okay.
another plan. You may think you're being clever like some kind of modern man, but
Oh, sure, fish, I think. Oh, shit.
We're done.
We're done.
Bye.
fishing.
We'll do fishing again.
Yeah, till next time. Bye-bye.
God bless.